Okay, where are my volume lovers at? My sisters who love big voluminous hair. Look at what I just did with this human hair wig by Eniola. This is Willow. Yes, this is a wig. And if you are a wig wearer, you know that it can be really hard to get volume in human hair wigs. But I just used the Beachwaver 3B Waver. This is what it looks like to get gorgeous volume, fullness, and wave in this human hair wig that was extremely flat to begin with. If you want to know how I did this, and you love waves, you love volume, let me show you right now. Let's get some volume in this human hair wig with my Beachwaver 3B waving iron. I absolutely love this tool for adding some crimpy waves and for getting volume. If you've struggled with human hair wigs or your bio hair, getting some volume and lift in the top, this is a tool you absolutely need to have. The last step is, once it's back on my head, I like to just take the crimper because I want to get a little more lift right at the top. So I'm just going to get up here and I'm going to try to get a little bit more lift right at the root so that it's a little bit fuller right on the top. But this is just, oops, kind of hard to do and talk. This is just a personal preference. When I crimp my wigs, it's because I want volume and fullness, sort of a 80s throwback a little bit. And then I take some smoothing cream. This is just a lot of glare. Keep it calm. And just run it through. And a little bit of hairspray. It's in the other room. Hold on. And just the same spray I used to put some heat protectant on it, I'm going to use to sort of finish it off. And that is how I crimp my wigs. So you can get volume in your human hair wigs by using a crimper. Hope this helped. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.